Hi, Morgan here for Onefinity, and boy have I got some exciting news. You know, over the last couple of years our machines have gotten stronger, faster, smarter, and they keep getting bigger. So we got to thinking, what if we went smaller? Introducing the Onefinity Pocket CNC, the most portable, most compact CNC in the world. This adorable little machine comes fully assembled and it's powered by USB. Just plug it into a standard charging block or a power bank and you're ready to cut. The Onefinity Pocket CNC boasts a full 3" by 3" cutting area and includes everything you need. Rails, state-of-the-art controller, and our new 1.5 amp micro spindle. But Morgan, what about the touchscreen interface? Hold your horses. I'll get to that. No, this model doesn't include a touchscreen interface because guess what? You already have one in your pants. Pocket. Your phone. That's right. The Onefinity Pocket CNC connects to your Android or iOS smartphone with the new Onefinity app over your home network or via Bluetooth when you're on the go. This allows you to jog, probe, load files, start and stop operations wherever you find yourself. Make a single pair of earrings for that special someone. Make the world's smallest suggestion box, or make a dollhouse for your little sweetheart. Bring joy and laughter to your family every day, whether they like it or not. Bring it with you to dinner parties, brunch with Nana, or important business meetings. And guess who's getting that big promotion? You are. So what are you waiting for? Order yours today and show everyone who's the real life of the party with the Onefinity Pocket CNC.